In this video, I want to go over a new item in our shop that I absolutely fell in love with. For the longest time, I've been looking for a phone holder for my bench here because I'm always losing my phones. Then I have to use my watch to ping my phone to see where that phone is. Especially when I have a lot of devices on my bench, my phone can get lost easily. So I went over maybe 75 holders in the market. I bought every single one of them and I wanted to see what's out there. I mean, bags and bags of holders. Some holders, they clip onto a bench. Some holders, they clip onto a monitor, clips, magnetic, different types of magnets, different type of clips. And I came across a holder that I fell in love with. And we modified that holder. I'll show you how. Initially, we got the holder that looks like this. Three things I was looking for in a holder. I wanted a holder that's easy to attach to whatever I want to attach it to, whether it's a monitor or bench or whatever the case may be. I wanted a holder where I can easily attach my phone onto, and I wanted a holder that holds the weight. Maybe I have a heavy phone, or maybe I have a tablet and not just a phone. Maybe I want to have more than one holder on my monitor. I want to attach a phone and a tablet. This holder attaches onto a monitor, or it attaches to an edge that's a 1/4 inch to 1/2 inch thick. If your monitor is one of the old ones where it's a 1 inch thick monitor, the holder is not going to work. It has to be 1/4 inch to 1/2 inch. The way the holder attaches onto the monitor, if you look here, you can squeeze it and then tighten the knobs. So what we're going to do is we're going to attach the holder onto the monitor, let loose from the back, and then I'm going to tighten the knobs, one from the top. And do not tighten it to a point where you're going to break your monitor. Just a firm. Okay, now it's tight. It's hand tight from the top, it's hand tight from the bottom. And we have another knob in the center where if I made it loose, then the center will be loose. But I do not want that, so I'm going to tighten it like this. Now on the phone side, what we need to do is attach a ring like this. The ring already comes with an adhesive pre-applied where you can just put the ring on the case or on the phone, press it, and you're done. That ring is not going anywhere. And it's going to be very difficult to get rid of that ring unless you use maybe a prying tool or some chemical to remove the adhesive that's bonding the ring onto the phone. Now, the way you attach the phone onto the holder is we do not need to manually align the ring with the holder. I wanted something easy. So the way you would do it is just slide the phone in a down motion and the holder is going to grab it. Or we can slide it in an upward motion, right or left. So if I go like this, we are done, okay? That phone is not going anywhere. Look, I can move the whole monitor by just grabbing onto that phone. I'm not going to be able to easily release that phone because the magnet on this holder is, wow, amazing. And that's what I wanted. I wanted a strong magnet. You know how phones are these days. They are expensive, $1,000, $2,000. You do not want a weak magnet where that phone is going to fall down and break. We do not want that. So that's one of the things I was looking for in a holder, a strong magnet where the phone is not going to fall and break. And now the only way to release that phone is we can push inwards on that holder and then the phone outwards, like this. Or maybe I can do it in a down motion or up motion to release that magnet. So if I want to attach, I can go down, up, down, sideways, or sideways. Okay? So if we go like this, we are done. Release. I can go like this. Done. I do not need to manually look at the ring and then align the ring with the magnet. It's going to align itself. Now, one thing I want to try is a bigger device. But before we try a bigger device, I want to tell you what modifications we did to that holder. The holder is amazing in every way, shape, or form. It does everything I want it to do. It attaches easily to the monitor. I can easily attach a phone onto it, and it holds the weight. It's very strong. Now, one limitation I found about this holder is the length of that arm. What if I'm attaching a bigger device? That device is going to cover part of my screen. I wish I had that arm longer. We communicated with the factory and we got what we wanted. We now have a holder with a longer arm. And today we're going to try a big tablet on that holder. I did not try this off camera, so I want to do it on camera. And let me show you the holder that we got. Maybe I can rotate that camera again. And now we have the all new NF.Holder with the long arm. Okay, let's compare the old one with the new one. Look at the old one and look at the new one. The arm is a lot longer on the new one, on the modified one. And now we're gonna try the long one, the long armed one, and see how it does. So we're gonna release the knobs so we can open the gap, 1/2 inch, 1/4 inch to 1/2 inch. Now we're gonna tighten that knob. Hand tight, do not use a plier. Do not be a hero or a Superman. And do not show us your muscles. We're not interested. Just hand tight. And I still have the wrap on that holder. Let me just get rid of the wrap. And now I can attach my phone like this and look at the size of the arm. Wow. I can position the phone in a horizontal position, vertical, inside, outside. I can do the same with the other one, but the arm on the other one is shorter. It does exactly the same thing, but now we have a longer arm. And I'm telling you, you're not gonna be able to remove that phone. No way, unless you're Arnold. But what you need to do is you need to push on that holder inwards and the phone outwards, like this. Now, if you do it like that, then it's easy. It doesn't take much pressure. But once the phone is connected onto that magnet, that phone is not going anywhere. I do not want to break the monitor or the arm or the phone. So I'm not going to put more pressure on that phone. Let me release the phone. Now, one thing I want to do is try a tablet, not just any tablet. I want to go extreme. We're going to go for the 12.9 inch tablet. If you own one of those tablets, you know how heavy that tablet is compared to my Note 10 phone. Big difference, right? I did not try this off camera, and I do not know if the tablet will hold onto that holder, but we're going to try it together. Now, I already attached a ring onto that tablet right here, and the holder does come with one ring, but if you want to buy more rings, you can. Maybe you can buy one holder and 5 rings. You have 5 devices and you want to connect all of them to the same holder. You can buy more rings, or you may want to buy more than one holder and more rings. It's up to you. Once the ring is connected onto the tablet, it's going to be very hard to remove that ring. You can remove it without causing any damage onto the tablet, but the adhesive on that ring that's bonding the ring onto the tablet is very strong. Now, if I want to attach the tablet onto the holder, the tablet has a big surface area. So if you try to attach it from here, it's not going to hold. If you try to attach it from here, it's not going to work. So a tablet this size, maybe you want to look and see where that ring is. You do not have to do this with a phone. So what I'm going to do is look on the back, and then I'm going to attach that ring onto the magnet, and look at this. Look at this. We can go horizontal, we can go vertical, inside out, and look at this. I can go back and forth, and the tablet is not going anywhere. What is this? What is this? Have you ever seen a magnet that strong on a holder? Do you need a stronger magnet than this? I don't think so. Look at this. The whole monitor is moving, and the tablet, being as heavy as it is, it's not falling off. One of the best holders that you will ever get your hands on. Now, let me disconnect the holder. Maybe we should rotate the camera more. I want to show you one thing quick. Now, what if you want to put this holder on the left side? The holder is meant for the right side, but you can attach it onto the left side as well. Let's loosen the knobs. And let's say you want to attach this holder onto the left side. What we can do is we can go like this. We can attach it onto the monitor like this. We can tighten the screws, and we can attach our phone on top here. And let's say you want to attach the holder to the bottom left, then we can go like this, and we can attach it from the bottom left. So we can attach the holder from any edge of the monitor. And if you have more than one monitor, like I do here in the office, I have 4 monitors, one on top, one here, one in front of me, and one for the OBS recording. The one I'm looking at right now, I'm looking at myself. You can grab more than one holder, more than one ring. I'm making a full video about this holder because of how amazing this holder is and how excited I am about this holder, NF.Holder. The holder will be available on our site probably by tonight. You will see it as a new item on the site, or you can search for NF.Holder. And we're going to end the video right here. I hope you enjoyed it. Let me know what you think. Leave it down in the comments. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and we'll do something else in the next video.